Ever felt like your money's just sitting there, doing absolutely nothing? Like it's a lazy couch potato while you're out there hustling? Well, today we're diving deep into Stashaway Cash and whether it's the right move for your hard-earned dough. Now, Stashaway Cash isn't your typical savings account. It's like a supercharged version, designed to give your money a little extra oomph. It offers higher interest rates than your regular bank account, which is music to any investor's ears. But is it all sunshine and rainbows? Let's break it down. First things first, the pros. Stashaway Cash generally offers significantly higher interest rates compared to traditional savings accounts. This means your money is actually growing while you're sleeping. Plus, it's incredibly easy to use. You can easily transfer funds in and out, and the platform is user-friendly, even for beginners. Another big plus is accessibility. You can access your funds whenever you need them. No long waiting periods or withdrawal restrictions. This flexibility is crucial for those who need quick access to their savings. Now, let's talk about the potential downsides. While Stashaway Cash offers competitive interest rates, they can fluctuate. So, your returns aren't guaranteed. Also, remember that interest rates aren't the only factor to consider. Fees can eat into your returns. Make sure you understand all the fees associated with Stashaway Cash, including any withdrawal fees or management fees. And, like any investment, your capital is at risk, although the risk with Stashaway Cash is generally considered to be low. So, who is Stashaway Cash a good fit for? Short-term savers. If you're saving for a short-term goal like a vacation or a down payment, Stashaway Cash can be a great option to help your money grow faster than in a regular savings account. Emergency fund. It can also be a good place to park your emergency fund, ensuring it's readily accessible while still earning decent interest. Those who prioritize convenience. If you value ease of use and accessibility, Stashaway Cash could be a convenient option for managing your savings. However, Stashaway Cash might not be the best choice for everyone. Long-term investors. If you're investing for long-term goals like retirement, you might consider exploring other investment options with potentially higher returns, such as stocks or index funds. Risk-averse individuals. If you're extremely risk-averse, you might prefer the guaranteed returns of a high-yield savings account, even if the interest rates are lower. So, is it smart to stash away cash? Ultimately, it depends on your individual circumstances and financial goals. Consider your risk tolerance. How comfortable are you with the possibility of fluctuating interest rates? Assess your time horizon. How long do you plan to keep your money in Stashaway Cash? Compare interest rates. Compare the interest rates offered by Stashaway Cash with those of other savings options. Factor in fees. Make sure you understand all the associated fees. By carefully weighing these factors, you can determine if Stashaway Cash is the right choice for you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.